Today we are going to be doing melted crayon rocks. First step, we have to find rocks with a smooth surface. Pretty flat. These are the rocks we collected. We're going to wash them, but they can't get too wet. You spread the rocks on a cookie sheet, and then you put it in the oven and let a grown-up help you. Put the rocks in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes. When the rocks are ready, then you have a grown-up pick up the one you want for you, and then you pick a color and put it on there. My color is going to be blue. Oh, it melts.
Yeah.
You just pick a color, then let's put it down and let it melt. Because crayons do melt if it's really hot. And this is really hot. Oh, and make sure you don't burn yourself on the rocks because they've been in the oven. Hey, look at this rock. And when you're done painting, you let them dry and put them back out in the garden. And so everybody can enjoy them. Be very careful. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Ask me any questions. Got it?